Howdy, dear friends of Zarana family. Hope you're doing so well. As you see, our box is now in this shape, and I'm going to teach you how to make two color or polycolor wall for one part of your box that gives very nice view and very nice shape to your box. First of all, I go through two beads with 1 or 2 meter of line, and then I add black and then silver. It depends on whatever you are making. You can make it with polycolor beads, or here just like me with two colors. I think that this combination is very nice, and please try it in one of your handmade bags or accessories. As you see in one of the lines, that is upper line, I just go through one bead, and in the lower lower line, I just use two beads. One of them is black and the other one is silver. As you see, I turn back to the silver one and go through the hole with the upper line and make a knot in the middle of my silver bead, and I continue in the same way for the other rows to finish my beaded box with this pattern. You can make it with other patterns that come to your mind, and also it is very recommended to use such a nice combination of black and silver colors. And here is the back of my box that I can add a lock or another way that comes to your mind to keep it safe. Bye.